Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so Pita Pizza, I've got my oven cranked as high as it will go, and then I've just got my piece of pita bread on a tray lined with baking paper just so it's easier to clean. In fact, I often just put the tray and the paper back in and use it for next time I'm making pizza. And then you want 1 to 2, 1.5-ish, depending on how tomatoey you like your pizza. Tablespoons. I'm just using a tomato passata, but you could use canned tomatoes, whatever you like. Okay, and then I actually like to do it kind of quite to the edge on pita pizza because I think it's better than like not when you're making like proper pizza with real bread dough, because it's not really about the bases here, it's just about the idea of pizza. So of course we're totally not authentic. Then we put on our toppings, so I'm just going to go simple with some prosciutto, and I usually go with more prosciutto, like more toppings, just so that we get a bit more protein. Than I know it's traditionally you go with more minimalist. Beautiful. And then our cheese. Again, I usually go with more cheese than I just use a regular, cheddar, whatever. I find mozzarella doesn't have as much flavor and it doesn't keep as well, so I just go with whatever this cheese. Okay, and then in our oven, so depending on how quickly your oven heated up, I usually check it after about 6 minutes, so we'll do that. So when our cheese is all melted and looking like pizza, we are good to serve. I'm just going to put some basil on the top of this. For you. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.